Alright, so today we have this hard drive. It's going to be their destruction. Basically, the customer didn't brought his computer and failed. So now he left the hard drive, and that's what he wants us to do, just destroy it, so nothing can be left. We're gonna use the drill. Let's select a star shape bit, start taken. Now you wanna need, for these hard drives, you need different size and different shapes sometimes, because they come in different sizes. So this one was the one I was using previously. So now I'm gonna use a different one, different size. So you're gonna have to buy some of this bits for your drill. All right, and then it's always recommended to have a few of them. There's gonna be different sizes. So for this one, we normally do, if we want to do recycling, we keep the screws on the side. We can put them on the side, and then this one, the board is going to be for gold recovery. So you can see all these pins over here that are gold plated. So those can be done put on the side. This one, like I said, the screws, you can fill a bucket of screws. Over time, screws will be very heavy, and you might be able to make some money out of it. Alright, so now we're here. This is the best way to destroy your data. If you don't have a drill, use a hammer, but if you have somebody to trust, like the customer we have, we can take everything apart for her and then just do the data destruction for her. Alright, so we have that. We keep those screws on the side because that's going to be for recycling. We have a few pounds already of screws. Those can be sold. Now there is going to be another screw under here. Just keep in mind, just a little razor blade. Let me just grab the little razor blade. Let's see if I can bring this one over here a little more. And let's just use this little thing so we find it. You can also do the drill right in the middle. So we can find it. Sometimes those are smaller or different size. There we go. There is always one screw under here. The customer didn't want us to do any data recovery. Well, the hard drive was fried. So this is basically what fails. As you can see, all this stuff, and it was making a clicking noise. So the problem was inside. Alright, one more screw. There we go. There we go. So it looks like the heads were stuck. They're really hard right there. They were making the clicking noise. This is what reads your information, but right now it's pointless. You don't want to fix it. Now these magnets can be sold also online. If you have a bunch of them, people like to craft and stuff like that, play with them, they will buy them. So keep that in mind. Keep them. Let's put the screws together. Let's see if we can remove this. This is just plastic. This is like a plate, but this is like steel. Alright, so we have that. There. And now we have a few screws in here. And by the way, this is where the information gets stored. So we keep these ones on the side. We have a few of them already. Type of metal for people that recover metals and stuff like that. Put that in here. I'm not sure what kind of metal is that, but now we want to remove the heads. As you can see, this is the connector, gold pins in them, gold pins on that connector. See? Then we wanna flip it around. That's another ring. Plates. Put them on the side. You can also sell those online. Have a little plastic in here. And we have this. So this one, this is where the information has been saved. It was like a 640. You can see it's click. It's all scratched right there, right here. So it was making the clicking noise. So information on this one is that. Also, you can sell them online. I have a bunch of them here already from taking them apart. So keep those on the side, and then this one can be sold as well to your local recycling center. This one has a little bit of this is cast aluminum, so I'm not sure. We have a few of them already. We have a few pounds, so we want to sell. So this is how you do tear apart a hard drive. Like I said, you're gonna need different bits, different sizes. Some of them won't work. For others, this one will be the heads. So you can see these are the strong magnets right here. Very strong magnets that you can sell online. And also we have more aluminum right here, and the gold pins for gold recovery. There we go. For this one, we also have a few of them. So these bits can be pulled out, and we have more gold pins right under here. So good materials. All these can be recycled. So you have the time to do it. If not, you know how to take apart now a hard drive. Thanks for watching.